So, next job.
Next job of the many jobs.
Moving stumps. And so we have a plan to move all the stumps on this land, all the Sitka spruce stumps from Storm Arwen onto this area here behind us. And we have a biomass company coming in a few months' time to come and process them on site and then take it all away. So our task this week, was that you or?
Hey, she was huffing.
Right. Our task this week is to have a go with the tractor and the trailer way down there, pick up the stumps, 2 or 3 at a time, because they're quite big, aren't they?
Yep.
And Gillian's going to drive it up a few times.
Try.
And take it round here and reverse
Tip it
up
off.
and tip them off. And we're going to do that hundreds of times.
Yeah, definitely hundreds of times. But first, we have to get all the frogs out of the way, because there are an awful lot of frogs hanging out in little puddles around there, and I don't want to squish any.
Yeah.
So we need to encourage them to go further away.
They're lovely things, aren't they? We've got so many. It's
Amazingly beautiful green coloured frogs. So they need to move away slightly.
So are you ready?
Let's go.
Let's do it. Let's find those frogs, Gillian. Is it a big one? Oh, there it is. Oh, you'll be okay there. Okay, I won't go this far.
I think if there are any ponds, then they'll be alright.
Yep, yeah, there will. I'm just going to go past this pool and then go a bit wider. There's a frog down there. Just there.
We'll need to get it.
Gillian, the master frog herder. He's safe. We're rolling, Gillian.
We're rolling. Get out of my way.
The load. Good. That's it.
Years are like the trickiest tricks in the whole tricks land. So I'm in the slow forward and the fast forward.
Are you in hare or tortoise?
I'm in hare.
Hare is the fast one.
But you know you've got 2 forwards, is one faster.
One's faster and one's slower, yeah.
And end up with some major divots.
Yeah. It's quite soft ground here.
Look out, frogs.
So as a little reminder, this is the area that we're planting the trees first. So we need to remove all the stumps and the material, sort out the drainage a little bit. All the water's going to run that way. We just got to help it run that way a little bit. Maybe build some swales in here just to sort of manage the water a bit, so it goes that way down to the gully and then goes down to the burn. So we have got about 900 saplings to plant. It's getting a bit late in the planting season now, but for various reasons this is the time frame that we've got. So we're doing our best. So let's get to it. So with all the big stumps that I've been moving, I've got lots more to do. The bucket's broken. The weld all around here and the other side starting to crack. Don't know if you can see the crack there. Yeah, that's pretty big, isn't it? Same on the other side. All right, pups, that's enough. So I'm going to take it to a place where they'll cut out this section here, put a new one in with thicker wall section, obviously re-weld around there, and they're going to put in some extra webs across here, this thickness material. So should take some of the twisting forces out of it. I wanted to have all this stuff finished for this film, at least all these stumps moved. That would have been a nice sort of ending. So sadly it's not going to happen. But I have moved quite a few stumps, and you know, the process works with the trailer and the tractor, tipping and stuff. So yeah, it's been good in that respect. So I'm going to try and save some money and get it, instead of getting it picked up and delivered, saves about £100 if I can get it in my pickup and take it to the place. It's about half an hour away. Come on pups, let's have a go. Let's get the pickup. Hey pups, you alright? Yeah, good girl. So guys, we've done a great job on the house this last week or so. Nice to have a bit of sun. That's helped with progress, isn't it, pups? Got the whole house wrapped now. There's a tiny little bit to finish, but it's ready for the windows now. So next week we're going to have windows and doors fitted, pups. Hopefully, and get the crane sorted out. Should be good, shouldn't it, girl? Looking forward to it. It's going to be good. End of next week, in theory, we should have a wind and watertight house, which is just amazing, isn't it, girl? We can make a little ramp for you to go inside. Something like the ladders. Not very good with ladders, are you, pups? We've still got some counter battens to put on the outside. And so we'll still need scaffolding for that, unfortunately. Some of the counter batten sort of features are a bit tricky under the soffit roof. It's like a compound angle. It's a bit weird. It's a bit important to get straight, that's for sure. Needs to look good, doesn't it, pups? So that's going to happen in the next couple of weeks. That might be on the next film, isn't it? The corner window support has finally been taken out, temporary support. So it's just been held up by the steel and the wood now, which is kind of exciting. Hope it stays up. I think it will. I kind of would like to show more footage of the guys working, but they don't really like being filmed. They don't really like being on YouTube. You all right? All right. Right. You done? She's done. Okay, let's go. I got you.